Hey, what's going on YouTube? Mike here from Team VRY, and so for the past few months I've been using the Fitbit Versa 3, and for an affordable smartwatch it comes with a nice set of features that I think make it worth using. It was launched alongside the Fitbit Sense, and while they do share a similar design, there are certain differences between the two wearables. So for this video, I thought that I'd share some of the features about the Versa 3 that I like the most, and if you're planning on getting this one, then hopefully this can help you with your purchase decision. As always, I will drop some links in the description below, and with that said, let's get started. Alright, so to start things off, let's take a quick moment to talk about the design on this watch. It does retain the basic look of the earlier Fitbit Versa models, but has a more rounded design to it. It almost feels like you're holding a pebble when handling the Versa 3. One thing about the design, however, is that instead of a physical control button on the side like the earlier Versa watches, Fitbit has decided to equip the Versa 3 with a touch-based capacitive button that responds to pressure. It's a bit similar to the home button on the iPhone SE. It can sometimes take a couple of tries to register a press though. The watch has a metal unibody and is of course IP certified to be waterproof and dustproof. If you're ever caught in the rain or you want to wear the watch while swimming in a pool, then you don't have to worry about water damage. Overall, it feels sturdy and I've worn it daily without any problems. Now if you do want to add more protection, Spigen does sell a case and strap for it, which adds extra padding against knocks and bumps. We do have a review of that case courtesy of Spigen, and you can check it out here on the channel. Alright, so another standout feature of the Versa 3 is the Oled display up front. It gets pretty bright even when outdoors, so I never have any trouble with needing to look at the watch. The screen is also responsive and isn't as slow compared to the one on the Versa Lite, and this is a pretty great improvement. It also comes with a layer of Gorilla Glass to keep it safe from knocks and bumps, although I do have a couple of micro scratches on the display. They're not very obvious though, and I take them over a cracked screen any day. Another feature that I love about the Versa 3 is the built-in GPS. This means that you no longer need to keep your watch constantly connected to your smartphone, and you can go for a walk or run without the need to bring along a secondary device. It works nicely, although I've noticed that it takes a bit of time to connect on startup, which can take anywhere from a few seconds to a minute, usually depending on your location. Once it connects though, you're pretty much good to go. Alright, so remember a couple years back when Google bought Fitbit? Well, lately the company has been integrating the Fitbit brand more and more into its ecosystem, and was only a matter of time before we got certain Google services on Fitbit devices. As a result, the Versa 3 has the ability to summon Google Assistant, and as a Google Pixel fan, I do like this feature as it makes the Assistant service more accessible to Fitbit users and is a seamless way to integrate Google's data services into your wearable. It also features a speech function so you can get the same experience as you'd normally have when using Google Assistant on your smartphone. What is the weather in Manchester right now?
Currently in Manchester, United Kingdom, it's 19 degrees and mostly cloudy. Today, it'll be partly cloudy, with a forecast high of 20 and a low of 12.
You do need to have your Versa 3 connected to your smartphone when using this, which is something to take note of. Now another area where the Versa 3 excels at is battery life. I've managed to get good battery performance from the watch, and on average, each charge lasts me about 5 to 6 days before I need to charge it again. It does come with fast charging, so an hour's worth of charge can give you a full battery, depending of course on how drained your watch was prior to charging. Now I've used GPS a lot, keep it connected to your phone 24/7, or use the watch with a high brightness setting, then you may end up having to charge more frequently than usual. But moderate users can expect more than half a week's worth of battery life with this one. Alright, so if you're planning to get the Fitbit Versa 3, it does come with some great features like the ones I mentioned above. Of course, you can always choose to spend a bit more to get the Fitbit Sense, but on its own, the Versa 3 manages to perform nicely, and you should definitely check out this one. Guys, we have a lot more reviews on this channel. Do check them out, and once again, thanks for watching.